China, we've got it under control. Corona a week later, Mr. Worldwide. Post-apocalyptic currency in video games. Post-apocalyptic currency in real life. Canada normally. Canada in war. Canada when a global pandemic threatens the hockey season. Teachers explaining how serious coronavirus is. Students knowing they are getting days off. When a kid at your school infects himself so school gets cancelled. He sacrificed himself to save all of us. Random guy in China eats a bat. Americans a couple months later, I bought everything in a store. Coronavirus exists. Everyone. Oh, it's in China, it is too far away to get to me. Coronavirus a month later, I like to move it. Zoomers in 2077, when you talk about the coronavirus getting infected, just say no. Coronavirus cannot legally enter your body without your consent. When West Virginia is the last state in the US without any coronavirus infections. Nobody is born cool. Except of course, the doctors and healthcare people risking their lives to stop spreading the virus. Seeing someone over 60 out in public. Brave but foolish, my old friend. Girls, when school is cancelled, I'll miss you. Stay safe. Boys, gentlemen, it's been an honor serving with you. 2019 boomers. Millennials need to toughen up. 2020 boomers. See someone sneeze. Whimpering noises. I have a headache. Showing results for coronavirus. Elon Musk. I'm not that rich. Also Elon Musk. Karen's going to ask the coronavirus for its manager so that graduation isn't postponed. This is a map of countries that have coronavirus, just like the simulations. Babe, come over. Me, I can't. We have quarantine. I have toilet paper. Me. World Health Organization. Avoid all contact with introverts. The world after we eradicate COVID-19. COVID-20. Coronavirus. Me and the boys, after eating an entire box gummy vitamins. Canadians when coronavirus is killing people. Canadians when coronavirus cancels their hockey match. Coronavirus enters my body, my white blood cells. Let's go, boys. Me and the boys staying quarantined together. The government shuts down schools to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Students go and hang out with their friends with all of the extra time. The government. When you see all these memes about schools closing, and yours finally does. 1024 dead Chinese people. 1 corona bite. Americans, a corona test costs thousands of dollars. The rest of the world, wait, you guys have to pay for tests? Will you please listen? I'm not the messiah. Low IQ people, he is the messiah. Millennials, I wish I was dead. There are too many people. We need a new plague. Coronavirus, why are you running? Me with coronavirus flying to Greenland to help Godwin Plague Incorporated. Me after hearing someone cough on my $8 round trip flight to Italy. Stop eating bats or draw 25. When boomers kill the earth, but coronavirus kills boomers. Well, how the turntables. Hand sanitizer company CEOs right now. Scientists, laughter can boost the immune system. The entire internet laughing at coronavirus memes. Coronavirus. Jim Carrey winning Best Supporting Actor for Sonic as all the other 2020 movies are cancelled. Someone eating a bat in China. Schools cancelled because of corona. You're gonna have to have online school. You're too poor to afford a computer. In the year 2020, humanity was threatened with extinction. Panic spreads across the planet like never before. What were you doing, grandpa? Just sending memes to friends and stuff. USA, no traveler. Spain, no traveler. Italy, no traveler. Canada, wash your hands. When the doctor diagnoses you with COVID-19 instead of the coronavirus. New Year's Day, looking forward to 2020. 3 months later. Chinese scientists identify 2 strains of the coronavirus, indicating it's already mutated at least once. Genetic reshuffling intensifies. Italy does absolutely nothing. Coronavirus, hello. Me and the boys in 2019. Me and the boys in 2020. Doctor, hey, where are you off to? Coronavirus patient, I'm going on an adventure. Me at the store after genuinely running out of a normal amount of toilet paper. 20s of a century begin. Viruses, Homst has awakened the ancient one. Guest at Disneyland, coughs. Disneyland. When the US has only tested 11,000 people for coronavirus when South Korea does 22,000 a day. Pathetic. Global pandemic. The death of a gorilla. Can you stop panicking? Low IQ people. For 5 minutes. What are we all gonna die from? Coronavirus. What are the symptoms? Fever and a cough. What should we buy? All the toilet paper. Boomers who got COVID-19. You think this is funny? Millennials who begged them to care about climate change. Coronavirus finally infects the whole world. Plague Incorporated players, total organ failure. New Yorkers not worried about coronavirus. New Yorkers watching National Guard setting up containment area. Screw going to the store, I make my own toilet paper. Some random Wuhan guy, coughs. Face mask companies, stunks. Kid, hey mum, when is this coronavirus thing gonna be over? Mum, just shut up and eat your toilet paper. Take a brief from all of the coronavirus memes. Enjoy this pigeon in boots. Americans, how do Canadians have less coronavirus cases than us? Canadians. How it feels waking up every morning in 2020. Damage report. WHO, wash your hands for 20 seconds. The automatic sink in the public bathroom, best I can do, is 1.5. People, stocking up on toilet paper and water. Me. When the conversation fizzles out during a break at a work event. Corona statistics. Everyone. Every country, shut everything down. USA and UK, when should I start to worry? Coronavirus can be cured with alcohol. Muslims. Me after washing my hands for 20 seconds 57 times in one day. Could you stop trying to kill us? 2020. For 5 minutes. Italy switches sides, joins coronavirus. People with normal diseases, I should stay home. People with coronavirus, I travel the world in the 7 seas. China, we all need to pool our money together to help develop a cure for the coronavirus. Who owes us the most money? USA. Coronavirus. COVID-19. Kung Flu. Boomer Doomer. The internet laughing at coronavirus memes. The internet finding out Tom Hanks has coronavirus. Me trying to hold my cough in public so I won't be perceived as having coronavirus. When you find out that vitamin C and alcohol might be effective against coronavirus. Flexing in March 2019. Flexing in March 2020. Government, stay at home. Don't go to the cinema with coronavirus. Netflix, stunks. Analysis. Coronavirus has temporarily reduced China's carbon dioxide emissions by 1/4. China. Coronavirus. Thanks, Satan. Absolutely no one. China, there's too many people on this earth. We need a new plague. The pasta shelves in Tesco are empty. Panic. They're restocking in a couple of days. Calm. The pasta is coming from Italy. Panic. Australia, whole country is on fire. coronavirus infects Australia. Bro, I'm straight up not having a good time. When you hear about the coronavirus and then develop a fever the next day, okay, get in. Normal people when they are sick. People with coronavirus. After all, why not? Why shouldn't I travel? I finally found it, after 15 years. The Scroll of Truth. Playing Plague Incorporated doesn't make you a coronavirus expert. Nien. When Germany gets infected, so they have an excuse to put people into camps. Wait a second.